Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka wants the Judicial Service Commission to speed up the process of recruiting a Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Attorney General, and other senior judicial officers. The Vice President says this will greatly strengthen the local judiciary under the new constitution. Speaking in Mutomo, Kalonzo declared that he will work towards strengthening the judiciary and using this new avenue to counter the Hague process by August this year, before ICC scheduled confirmation of charges hearings in September.
So the moment we have these institutions in place, we will then be able to go to the Hague. The Attorney General obviously has already made an application now under Article 19. The chapter on Article 16 is closed.
The Vice President was referring to Article 19 of the Rome Statute, which allows the government to challenge the ICC's jurisdiction over a case which it is investigating or prosecuting, or has investigated and or prosecuted. Meanwhile, civil society members led by former Constitution of Kenya Review Commission Chairman Yash Palgai hailed the United Nations Security Council decision to reject the deferral bid.
The Vice President himself, a lawyer, has spent millions of dollars ostensibly on the instructions of the President of the Republic on a blatantly futile mission ostensibly to get the ICC off Kenya's back at the United Nations.
The civil society now argues that the government has already spent millions of shillings in seeking professional lawyers to defend the Ocampo 6, which they say shows impunity and a disdain for the Constitution's insistence on integrity.
We say no, you will not take this nation from us. We have fought too hard to get there. We will not allow you to appropriate our flag, our anthem, our Constitution, our lives for your selfish interests.
Cooperatives Minister Joseph Nyaga says it is unfortunate that the country has had to deal with the International Criminal Court. Nyaga, however, wants justice to prevail even for the Ocampo 6.
Now that we are the ICC, we must pray and hope that ICC will give justice to our children. The people, the 6 who have gone to ICC, our children. They are our brothers and sisters. And it's important that they get justice.
Civil society members say victims of post-election violence who are raped, killed, maimed, terrorized, robbed of their property have been sidelined, with the Ocampo 6 taking precedence. The members also highlighted other key concerns, including the delay of parliamentary business, which has since paralyzed implementation of the Constitution.